Okay guys, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. This is what we've been doing. This is why we're always begging for volunteers, especially men. Um, I have loaded the truck up. Usually Susan has to do this by herself, but today I was off, so she had my help. We have 2 dog houses, 2 crates. Had to break the crates down because not enough room. A trap for a pregnant dog, and a crate. And we still have to load more stuff. And then there's my big girl coffee. And on the inside we have dog food and other supplies needed. And Missy just happens to be here watching. Hey Missy. And there's Charlie. Hey Missy. There's Mowgli. Hey Mowgli. Missy is about 10 years old, and she is up for adoption. Mowgli is being rehabilitated. You used to not be able to touch him. Well, you see him now coming to check me out. Well, come here. Well, come here. Come here. And Missy is just a big old lover. There's Charlie. Charlie is Susan's dog.